be talking about the power of confidence. So, what is confidence? Confidence is a tool, is a power that can change everything about you, that can change your life. And confidence is a power that can be developed easily. So in this episode, we'll be learning what confidence is and how can you develop confidence. So confidence is an emotion that gives you trust upon your dreams. It gives you power to pursue your passion and also be successful in your life. So being confident should not be equated to being arrogant about your skills or about your qualifications. You can be down to earth and be confident. Being confident is all about the power to speak your mindset or your views in front of others, and it is the ability to take risks, face obstacles, face challenges, and finally achieve those goals. So, what is confidence? Confidence is the quality that can be developed. So, how to develop that confidence? It is very important that you talk nicely to yourself. You should be self-compassionate. You should not wait for others to appreciate you. Rather, you should celebrate your small wins and avoid talking negatively to yourself. It is very important that you should not be waiting that somebody will applaud for you. Rather, you should applaud for yourself कि मैंने कल तक तो मैं ये भी नहीं कर सकता था, आज तो मैंने ये कर दिखाया. So this will give you power to stand up next day and beat another challenge or another shortcoming in yourself. Another strategy that can be adopted by you for building that confidence is working on your failures. It is very important to be down to earth and accept that I'm not good at one thing while I'm good at another thing. So this being grounded will help you in working on your shortcomings while appreciating your positive aspects. It is very important for an individual to accept that I am not good at everything. So by then they should plan that how can I overcome my shortcoming. So you should focus on your positive aspects while you should work on your negative aspects. Another thing that you should be focusing on or another strategy is seek a positive environment in front of you. कहते हैं ना, जिसके साथ आप बैठते हैं आप भी वैसे ही हो जाते हैं. So you should sit with positive people who nurture good in you. So it is very important कि आप उन लोगों के साथ ना बैठे who demean you, who pull you down. It's very important कि आप दोस्त भी ऐसे बनाएं जो आपको appreciate करें आपकी मेहनत के लिए, आपको motivate करें और बेहतर करने के लिए, क्योंकि आपकी कंपनी ही डिसाइड करती है कि आप कहाँ तक जाएंगे, क्योंकि आपके कहीं ना कहीं व्यू पॉइंट्स बहुत अफेक्ट होते हैं. पेरेंट्स कहते हैं ना, you should make good friends, so listen to them. Another strategy that you can adapt for building that confidence is stepping out of your comfort zone. अगर आप जैसे हैं वैसे ही रहेंगे and you will not step out of your comfort zone, so you will not be able to develop that confidence. So it is very important to step out of that comfort zone and take risk. अगर आप कहते हैं कि मैं पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में नहीं अच्छा, you should go on that stage once and try to speak. Try to participate in debate competitions. You will fail once, but not twice. Maybe twice, but not thrice. So कहीं ना कहीं practice will make you better. कोशिश करिए, कोशिश करेंगे तो ज़रूर अच्छा होगा. इससे एक और बात सीख सकते हैं. You should always do positive affirmations. मैं करूँगा, मैं करके दिखाऊंगा, ये तो मेरे से हो ही जाएगा. Use such words, speak to yourself in mirror. You will definitely gain confidence. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. प्लीज़ कमेंट्स में बताइए कि आपने इस वीडियो से क्या सीखा जो आपको पहले नहीं पता था.